Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session. In this session, let us see a term called rate-based material planning used in the supply planning. Examples of organization using rate-based planning can be found in repetitive manufacturing, assembly line, just-in-time, and other flow system. The primary intent in rate-based scheduling is to establish rate of production for each part or product made in the factory. The rate of production allows the company to move material through the manufacturing system without stops or interruption in the shortest time possible. Typically, single level planning bill of material information is used to convert rate-based master production schedule into material plan that specify the appropriate daily or hourly flow rates for individual components or products. These production systems are characterized by master production schedule, MPS stability, high rates of material flow, negligible work in progress inventory level, short manufacturing lead time, and a relatively small variety of final product in the MPS. Therefore, detailed status information on work in progress item may be required in this process. Thanks for watching. Bye.